Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I think everyone is well. Today I am here you to suggest you about TCS NQT exam. I think everyone is well preparing for TCS because we have only 5 more days. Don't worry, I will tell you how to clear the exam in less time. So before going to video, if anyone visiting my channel new, so please subscribe my channel and if you have any doubts, comment in comment section and like and share the video. So let's begin the our video. I think everyone knows about TCS syllabus, but anyway, I will tell you now. So TCS in TCS examination, there are having two sections. One section is about our aptitude and reasoning verbal ability. So another section is called advanced section, which is conducted only for digital and prime rules. So in advanced section, there are having another two subsections. One is advanced aptitude and reasoning. Another one is coding. So whenever we clear the aptitude section, we can get the ninja rule. I think everyone knows about this. Another one is whenever we are clearing advanced aptitude section and one coding session, we will get the digital role. And when we clear both codes in advanced section, we will get prime role with 9 LPA. Digital is actually 7 LPA, 7 LPA, and the prime roll is 9 LPA. Coming to ninja roll, it is 3.36. I think everyone knows about this. So in order to clear within less time all these topics, we should follow some tricks and tips. I will share the tips and tricks now. So before going to the tips, we should have to know about the cutoff for each session. In aptitude session, numerical ability cutoff will be 10 to 11 questions. Overall questions are 20. We should put correctly 10 to 11 questions. Then only we will clear the numerical ability test. So whenever we out of 25 questions, we have 25 minutes. Each question having a 1 minute for it. So in this 25 questions, we should clear at least 15 to 20 questions are correct. And coming to reasoning ability, in this one same as numerical ability, 10 to 15 questions we must correct it. And total time duration is 75 minutes and total questions are 65 questions. We should have to put the answer as per the given allocated time. So next part is advanced aptitude session. In this advanced aptitude session, if some questions are given like without any option, you should answer in a particular box. If the answer is 1 2, you like you should type here. So that type of questions also there in advanced aptitude session. And coming to coding session, there are two codings. One is medium based, another one is hard. So everyone easily clear medium based question. So then only you will get a digital run if you clear one code. If you clear two codes, you will get prime rules. This is about TCS how to syllabus. So I think you already know about this. Just I given an intro about this. So now I will explain you how to prepare for TCS examinations within less time. We have because we have only 5 days more. Now I will tell you best solution to clear the exam. Within this, you should know every weightage of each and every session in aptitude. If you prepare more questions or more weightage chapters, you can get easily more marks, because that's why as per the weightage you can prepare for it. So in this one, elementary statistics having a more weightage, so because it comes with 3 to 4 questions, then you should prepare a fully elementary statistics. Next one is percentage, work and time, like that. All these are very important. I will suggest you don't prepare less weightage chapters because you have less time. So, if you prepare for more weightage chapters, you will easily solve within less time and also more questions. Next one is verbal ability. In verbal ability, you can easily put the answer within less time. So because it having 25 questions, we can easily gain the more marks in this session. I will suggest you to prepare all the topics and revise all the topics. Next one is reasoning. In reasoning ability, most of the members are very interesting to show or prepare the reasoning. Cubes and cutoffs, coding and decoding, and sentence arrangements and blood relations, Venn diagrams. All these are very important topics in reasoning. So if you prepare more weightage one, you will easily solve the all the questions within less time. Next one is coding. Coming to coding, I already said one is basic code, another one is complicated code. So if you clear this basic code, you will get the digital rule, and if you clear this one code, another code, you will get a prime rule. This is actually about best strategy to prepare TCS examination, and also overall time limit is 190 minutes. So 190 minutes means more than 3 hours, I think. In Google there are having many previous question papers, you should also prefer those. So you know you will mostly get the only from the previous year question papers, because TCS is giving repeated problems. I hope this video clear to you. If you want any resources related to TCS, please comment in comment box. I will share the resources. If you have any doubts, comment in comment box. Thank you.